Oh, water. You open the faucet and it flows. You go to the market and buy it. That's how we see water. And we've seen it like this too. Now connect both realities. To make bad water drinkable, we've relied on chemicals, filters, and treatments that often strip it of what makes it alive. It's been over 100 years of doing this. And with more people, there's more waste. Industries grow and mining advances. A sad story. Future wars will be for water. It's understandable. Usable water will become increasingly scarce. We have to be smarter and stop pretending we can heal water by pouring in more chemicals that break its inner structure.
Let's change the story. Instead of chemicals, UV, ozone, or ionization, we can restore water with electronic frequencies, pure energy that rebuilds its natural molecular order.
No additives, no toxins, just revitalized, hydrogen-rich water that truly hydrates and protects. Inspired by Tesla's vision, this begins a new era for water, for life, for structured water that works with our cells, not against them.
If you want to find the secrets of the universe, think in terms of energy, frequency, and vibration.
Water, in its natural state, stores information, responds to emotions, and carries energy. That memory isn't magic, it's science. It lives in what researchers now call the EZ, the structured zone of water. It will be a revolution, peaceful, viable, economical, and accessible for governments, industries, and families. We will return to primordial water, as it was when the planet was young. The water Tesla dreamed of, not just clean, but molecularly alive. This is not a futuristic idea.
It's Tesla's star. It regains its pure molecular essence, renews its crystalline structure, and revitalizes its vital energy.
It will improve agriculture, providing tastier and more nutritious food without chemicals. Ecosystems and biodiversity will thrive once again. We will recover our health and well-being in sustainable and efficient cities. Let's redefine the future. If you make decisions for your country, your industry, your community, or your home, this could be your most transcendent work. The planet is 70% water. Just like our bodies, we are 70% water. But what water are we? And from now on, with this viable, economical, and functional option, what water do we want to be tomorrow?